Hi guys, we'll be looking at another problem on circle theorems. And the question is, in this figure, of course, PT is a target. Find angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. Now, to solve this question, you have to be very careful because circle theorems, circle geometry as a topic is one of the topics that students find difficult. But the way out is that you must be a master of the theorems. You must be able to master the theorems in order to be able to answer questions, especially difficult ones, on it. Now, back to the question. How do we get y? That's the question. How do we get y? Now, the whole angle here is 130 degrees. That is, from this point to this point is 130 degrees. OT is the radius because it's coming from the center of the circle and touching the circumference here is the radius. And there is a theorem which states that the radius drawn from the point of contact is perpendicular to the target. The radius drawn from the point of contact is perpendicular to the target. So it means that from this point here, from this point to this place is 90 degrees. From this point to this point is 90 degrees. The radius drawn from the point of contact is perpendicular to the target. So this is 90 degrees. Now, and the whole of the angles here, the whole of the angle is 130 degrees. So if this place is 90 degrees, it means that this small place will be 40 degrees. We are almost there, 40 degrees. Now, also, OT, of course, is equal to OB because OB is also radius. So they are both radius, so that is radii. So if that is the case, then it means that triangle BOT, because this is triangle BOT is isosceles. That is, this place is equal to this place. And one of the properties states that for isosceles triangle, where two sides are equal, then the base angles will also be equal. So it means that since here is 40 degrees, this place will also be 40 degrees. So I believe we can find y now. Alright? So to find y, of course, since it's a triangle, we just sum 40 plus 40 plus y equals to 180 degrees. Alright? That is y plus 40 degrees equals to 180 degrees. That is sum of angles of triangle. Alright? So angle y equals to 180. 40 plus 40 is 80 degrees. When you move to this side, it becomes 80 degrees. So that angle y equals to 180 minus 80 is 100 degrees. So it means that the angle here, the angle at the center is 100 degrees. Now that we have found the angle at the center, it will be easier for us to find angle x, to find x. It will be easier. Alright? It will be easier to find x. Okay? We are going to invoke one of the theorems as well, which states that the angle at the center is twice the angle at any part of the circumference. The angle at the center is 2 times x. Alright? And our y is 100. So x will be what? 100 over 2, which is what? 50 degrees. So the angle here is 50 degrees. So it's remaining z. Now, how do we find z? We are going to do a little bit of work. Because z here is the sum of this angle and this angle. The sum of this angle and this angle. Already we know that this angle here is what? 40 degrees. Now, how do we determine the angle here? How do we determine the angle here? To do that, we require a little bit of work. Alright? Now, by construction, let's join this. OA is also a radius. It's also radius. OA is radius. And OT is also radius. And by doing this, we have formed another triangle, AOT. By doing this, we have formed another triangle, AOT. And we said that OA is radius, OT is also radius. So it means that this side and this side are also equal. It means that triangle AOT is also isosceles triangle. And if that is the case, the angle here, the base angles are also equal. The base angles. So it means that since here is 30 degrees, this place will also be 30 degrees. This is one part of x. This place will also be 30 what? Degrees. Alright? So what is remaining now is how do I get this place? Okay? How do I get this place? How do I determine the angle here? To do that, since we know that the whole of x is what? 50 degrees. If the whole of x is 50 degrees, and this part is 30 degrees, then it means that this small portion will be what? 20 degrees. That is 50 minus 30. That is 20 degrees. Now, OA is also radius. OB is also radius. So if that is the case, it means that the base angles here are also equal. That is, the angle here is equal to the angle here. And since the angle here is 20 degrees, it means the angle here is also what? 20 degrees. Can you see that? So therefore, it means that Z is equal to 20 degrees plus 40 degrees, which is 60 degrees. That is the solution to the question, to the problem on the board. Like I said, circle geometry is not that difficult the way students see it. It's just for you to understand and master the theorems. When you do that, I'm very sure that you'll find circle geometry or circle theorems enjoyable. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do that so that whenever new videos are uploaded, you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you very much and keep enjoying.